Welcome to video number 4. We're going to talk about sales funnel mapping. So at this time, you're going to understand what you have. You've basically taken all the information that you know about your products and splatted it on a wall. And that's great because you don't need to organize it. And now it's time to take all that information and organize it into something that makes sense. So we're going to actually map it out, and we're going to be creating a visual map basically because this is crucial to your success. And being able to see what everything and how everything is laid out is going to help you actually move forward. So that way you know exactly what is ahead. What we found is most people quit 75% in. And the reason why most people quit is because they cannot see ahead. And this is the reason why we are creating a visual map. So we highly recommend that you use either a flowchart system or a mind mapping software. You can use anything you would like, but in this case, we're going to be using a software called Lucidchart. It's not expensive. It does cost money. It's about $4 to $5 per month, but it's definitely something that is going to help you motivate you, help you create that blueprint so you know exactly what to do. Because I will say, once you start setting things up within J-Vzoo, things can become overwhelming. But if you have an idea of, okay, I'm at this point, I need to get to this point, it's going to make a lot more sense. So I'm going to hop on over to lucidchart.com right now and show everything to you in action. Okay, so taking into consideration what you have written down in the previous video, what we need to do now is just drag and drop the front end offer here. So front end offer. And I want you to be specific. So you might want to write down, okay, this is a video course, for example. Or maybe this is a software or something. We'll just say, we'll do software. And then maybe the one-time offer is a video course, maybe advanced level, teaching them how to use the software to an advanced level. And then maybe you can have like a Facebook group or some community. So Facebook group or community. And then of course, maybe we have like one-on-one coaching. So price wise, maybe this one's like $497 or $497. Maybe this is a monthly, $47 per month. And the video course, maybe that's $97 one-time fee. And the software, let's say that's $37 one-time fee. So you want to make sure that you understand, okay, is it a one-time fee? Is it a monthly fee? Is it a recurring fee? How much of it is a recurring fee? Is it a monthly or is it quarterly? Is it maybe monthly for 6 months and then it stops? Or what is it? So you want to make sure you jot that down. You also want to make sure, like, are you offering a trial first? Maybe the Facebook group, you want to do like a $1 trial for 7 days and then do it for $47 per month. You could do that as well. So I could show you how to do all that. And when I show you all the details that you're going to need in the next video. But right now, it's just a matter of jotting down everything that you can think of. So front end offer, one-time offer. So we want to mark these. So one-time offer, OTO1, OTO2, and literally you can get really complex if you want, but at the end of the day, I would just work on this right now and then you can add these later. Now, typically if somebody, let's say somebody buys this, then they get offered the one-time offer, right? But let's say, for example, somebody doesn't want the one-time offer. Okay, so if somebody doesn't want, let's say this video course has like 25 videos and it's an advanced course. And if somebody says no, you can offer what we call a downsell. So this would be downsell 1. So you could have downsell 2, 3, and more. Or you can simplify it and just keep it this way and that's it. But basically, if somebody buys it, they're presented with this. If they say no and they click the no thanks, they are then forwarded over here. So it's going to look like this. And then if they buy that, you could redirect them up here. Now we're just getting really, really complex. So I'm gonna leave it like that. In fact, I'm just gonna highlight this right here. And we're gonna highlight this green, because green light, we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna make these red so we can do these later. Or pink, like that. All right. So you want to color code it as well. I like Lucidchart because I can color code things and I can say, okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do this later. And in addition to that, what I like is this. Okay, so if I zoom in a little bit, if I right click an item, I can add a note. So within the note, I can add the sales page equals, http://yourdomain.com, and then the download page or the thank you page equals http://yourdomain.com/ thanks something.html. So that way you have a record of everything. What I found with other mind mapping softwares is that oftentimes you have to create another item and another item, and it just gets messy. So with Lucidchart, I can store all my sales page and download page in here and do the same for over here for the one-time offer. So we'll right click, add note, and add that in here. And that way, when it comes time for those items, we can always refer back to them. So that's all you really need to do now. And once you have this in hand, and I don't want to make it more complex than it needs to be. So once you have this in hand, you've written it down, you are good to go. Now you will notice the next items that you need. So you need to have your sales page, you need to have your download page. And even if you don't have these items yet, it's okay. You will know what you need to go and get and come back later. All right, so now that you have an idea of, okay, this is our game plan, this is our tack plan, we are gonna do this first, or we're gonna do this first, and then we're gonna add another product. And then once we have conquered and ruled that, and successfully that's in our brain, you feel comfortable, then you can add the downsells, then you can add more one-time offers and make it a very profitable campaign. But start with these first, and then we'll go from there. So in the next video, we're going to talk about the things that you are going to need: the sales page, the download page, the support email or the support desk, which, by the way, we'll talk more about, like what help desk we recommend and all of that. All right.